Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, The Brown Goal. I am Mansi Suryavanshi, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I created this Korean makeup look for you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get in the video. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I'm using here the serum from Good Vibes. It's their grapeseed serum and one of my favorite serum. It gives a very beautiful illumination on your face, and mainly Korean makeup is all about glow. Now here I'm using Prefix primer. It's a silicone based mattifying primer. Mattifies your face but also gives you a beautiful shine. Next I'm using Lakme Invisible Finish foundation, because if you have seen Korean makeup before, they don't have like a lot of coverage foundation and in their face. So yeah, I'm blending here with Kabuki brush. I've also applied it in my neck, but the clip was not recorded. Next I'm using half and half concealer in the shade 05. By the way, the shade of the foundation was 04. Applying it under my eyes, on my eyelid, on bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid bows and chin. I'm blending it using my finger, but you can also use brush or beauty blender for blending your concealer. I've also applied it on the area where I have blemishes or acne marks. Next I'm using Lakme Absolute Compact Powder and patting it on the area where I've applied concealer and foundation. All over my face I'm applying it. I'm using a puff today for applying the compact. Patting it very nicely, also on my neck. Next I'm using Matte Look eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do my eyeshadow using the orange and brown shade from the palette and applying it first on the crease. Keep on blending whenever you apply any eyeshadow. By the way, the brush I'm using is flat fluffy brush. Applying it and blending it, and now I'm applying it on my eyelids too, because the Korean makeup is more on the neutral side and very subtle. So yeah, I'm going to use only two eyeshadow and then I'm going to use one highlighter that we will see ahead. Keep on applying and blending it. Now applying it on my lower lash line too. Apply very nicely. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty highlighter and taking the coppery shade from it and patting it on my eyelid using my ring finger for that. Pat it nicely. Next I'm going to do the same on other eye. Now I'm applying it on my lower lash line, like smoking my lower lash line. Next I'm using Miniso highlighting stick. It's a champagne kind of a highlighting stick. Applying it on the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bones. It's a very beautiful shimmer stick. I would highly recommend you guys to go and buy it. Next, going to fill my brows using Mix Cold Brow Palette, taking the brown and black shade, first pulling them out. I have very bushy eyebrows, and because of lockdown, I'm not able to go and do threading too. So yeah, इसी से काम चलाना पड़ेगा. I'm going to fill my brows very nicely and filling all the sparks area. Apply it very nicely. Next I'm going to use the same Miss Rose palette and going to contour my face. Though they don't use any contour, but I don't have that sleek face they have, so I have to do it. Also contouring my nose with the same shade. Next I am using SFR face palette and taking the peach and pink color blusher and applying it on my cheekbones and nose. I'm applying a very good layer of blush to make my cheeks look very pink. Applying it by nose and also on my chin. Next I am using Swiss Beauty highlighter and taking the champagne shade and applying it on the highest point of my face, like cheekbones, tip of my nose, forehead, cupid bows and chin. Applying it and blending it so that doesn't look a lot sparkly. Next I'm using Nivea's lip balm for hydrating my lips. Next I'm using Lakme Insta eyeliner and creating a big wing eyeliner. As I mentioned in all my videos, take time and have a lot of patience by doing eyeliner. Applying it properly and creating a big wing. Popping same on other eye. Now I'm going to use Lakme Iconic mascara and coating it on my eyelashes. I'm not using any false lashes today, so yeah. Apply a very good layer of mascara on your lashes and also apply the mascara on your lower lashes too. Next I'm using Stay Quirky's mini lipstick. Look how cute they are. And I took shade 39. It's a maroony pink color. Maroonish red color. Applying it on the mid of my lips. Apply it nicely. A good layer of lipstick on the mid of your lips. Next I'm going to use the same Miniso highlighting stick and applying it on the upper part of my lips, like below the cupid bow. Next I'm using this pink color lipstick from the same Stay Quirky lipstick. It's in the shade 47. It has a bit of glimmer and it's pink, so I'm applying it on the area where I have not applied the red one. So yeah, here's my finished final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel. Please share this video to your friends and family. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.